it challenge. So there is one box and one bowl at here, as you can see. So in this box there are small chits of eat it and wear it. We are going to choose it, and in this there are items that we are going to use it. So let's start now. Now it's the first round, so I'm going to shake it. Papa, you choose first.
Why me?
You choose.
Why me?
Okay, I'm going.
I don't want to take a risk.
Okay. Let's see what is in there. Eat it! I got eat it.
Me too. You can see.
Okay.
It's eat it. See, it's eat it.
Okay.
I'm lucky. Show me. I don't trust you.
See, eat
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
So, eat it. So now I'm going to shuffle this too. So are you
So
going
this is going to be the first risk which we have to take. Just like
Yes.
Again, if I say, why should I take a risk?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
let's-
I will take the risk. Okay.
Show it to me first.
Okay. Vinegar.
Are you going to have vinegar?
Yes.
Oh man, I like it. Okay, let me try one for me. Okay, you can see that.
Milk.
Yes, I'm going to have a milk. Yeah. So my daughter is going to take a risk. She's going to have vinegar and hey, don't spill it. You can't spill this. You can't escape from this. She only wanted to have a challenge with me. Let's have a cheers. See, this particular cup, it's a dragon cup, and she's going to have that vinegar, and I'm going to have my milk. 1, 2.
No. No.
I like it. She wanted to have a challenge. Let's do it. Now the first round is gone. I'm lucky to have a cup of milk, and she had this beautiful. Oh, she didn't finish it. Oh, cheating! No, it's a cheating. It's a cheating.
No.
Gulp it.
No, I can't.
Now we will give you some water to digest it. Come on, you can't take a risk. You only challenge me. Yeah! I like it. You wanted a challenge?
That was cheating.
I never had a challenge. Come on, don't lie to me. Come on. Now the first round is over. Let's see the second round. And this time
I
we are
wish
going.
it was my luck. Next round.
This is going to be my luck.
No.
Let's try once again. Okay, are you going to take this first cheat, eat it, or
You
what
are
is?
going to take it first.
So I'm going to take the first. So let's mix that. Can you see?
No. You have to choose randomly. That is.
So this one is. I definitely.
Oh,
I chopped.
You are cheating. You are cheating.
No, it's not a
You are
cheating.
cheating.
I just took
You
out
are
the cheat.
cheating.
Okay, let's say once again. Okay, close it. And now I know the facts. Again, I will get the same one.
Okay.
Okay. Sure.
No one
Now you will
cheat.
say that I've made a cheating kind of
Eat
eat
it.
it. Okay, it's a risky stuff.
Wear it. Yeah.
How can I wear anything? It's like it's going to be liquid. So you're going to pour on me, right? It's fair. Chalega. I don't want to take a risk anymore.
So I'm going to shuffle this
So
too.
let's say I can see the readings over here. So maybe I can get a guess. So I don't mind. It's like it's going to be wear it.
I close your eyes.
Okay, I close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I close my eyes. Oh, it has two chits together. Is it so?
No.
Okay, fine.
No.
Oh, you show me first.
No, you.
It's going to be eat it once again, you know. Come on.
Orange! Orange!
Okay,
I'm
let
going
me
to
see.
eat orange.
Okay, hold. What is it? Maggie! Oh no!
This
No!
is cheating.
I wanted to have it.
I also want to have it.
Now it's time to take a risk. You're going to wear it, right?
You are going to wear it.
Okay,
Excuse
is it?
me.
Okay, but actually what happened was like first I got that eat it chit. So the chit which came in was eat it. So it's not going to be a fair game. It's
No,
like I can
no,
have
no, no, because
I can have half of it. I can have half of it as in eat, and half of it we can wear it.
No. Because the eat it chit was a little showing. The writing
No,
was.
it
no,
was not showing.
I saw myself. It was
So you
showing.
saw it, but I was not able to see it. It's like
So that was unfair. So you have to wear it. Any cause you are not going to eat it.
such a beautiful Maggie.
No.
You can see. Oh,
No,
you can
it's
see.
mine.
You can see
No,
some
it's
good
mine.
veggies are also there. It's yours.
No,
Okay,
it's
you can
mine.
have it. I don't mind. You don't mind.
It's mine.
You
mine.
wear it. You only said. You only said. You
That
only said.
doesn't mean
Right
that.
now, you only said.
That doesn't mean. I mean, you will wear it, but I'll eat it.
So how can you eat? Okay, you have it. I'll just give it. Enjoy.
No,
You can eat it.
no, you have to wear it. No, you have
Okay.
to wear it.
Okay, I can have that orange.
No. Okay, one.
Okay, fine. But you're going to wear this.
You are going to wear it. Not me.
Okay.
I'm
let's.
finishing my
let's-
task.
Don't you feel? See, it's falling on you also. So can I do it? Do on you? Yes, I love it. It's falling on you also. जी मेरा टी शर्ट it fell on me. Okay, it's falling down. It's like can I have a tissue paper or something so that I can clean myself?
I'm
Such
going
a
to eat
bad
this.
girl.
I'm going to eat this.
Okay, you are going to have the rest of it. Okay, so can I remove it?
No.
So it's going to. It's like funny stuff. Means like it's like a wig on my head.
Yes.
It's a chowmin kind of a thing. Chowmin head.
Looks nice.
So, but if I shake my head, it will fall down and it will
No,
spill
you
on
should not.
me. It will spill on you also.
No.
So, can you just have a waste paper or something? It's like okay. Let me. Okay. See, it automatically fell down. So it's not
That
my
was
fault. So it
cheating.
was not my fault.
It was unfair.
Okay.
No.
So I can't stand still like this.
You have to.
Nasty fellow.
Take that also.
This is too much. So this is too much. If I shake my head, then it is going to fall, and that's not
No.
my problem.
No, you should not shake your head.
See, it's
No.
going to. So if I going to take a risk like
No.
this, so if I do this way, so it is going to fall down.
No.
So it's like
You
how will I?
don't.
Say, so let me try on you whether you can stay like this.
Okay.
Yes. You only said. You only said.
Okay.
Okay. See, it's going to be. Yeah, see, I didn't do anything. I don't do anything. It fell automatically, and it is not. Oh no! Okay, so you have not finished your task. I have finished mine.
I eated one.
So you can't have one.
I
It was supposed to be completing things.
No.
So it was supposed to be completing things. You only said that you're going to have half of it. So you're going to finish Maggie as well as that oranges.
No, you can eat that.
So-
you can eat that.
No,
You can eat that. I'm
no.
going to eat
So
this.
when? How come it is going to be a challenge?
I eated one.
So how come it
I
is going to be a
eaten
challenge? So I'm not going to play anymore. You finish that. It's bitter. I want it to be bitter. Oh, come on, it has to be bitter. Is it bitter? It's sweet. So why you're making face? That means it's a bitter one. Come on, finish it now. I love that. Finish it. It's tasting bitter. What? No. Finish. No, you need to. You can't spit it. You only spit this particular. What is it?
Seeds.
Yeah, seeds. Finish it. I love that. So at least because of the challenges you are able to finish all the fruits. Otherwise you never have fruits. Right? Okay.
No, I have it.
It's too looking dirty in my face. As well as can I remove a little bit of it? My table is dirty, yeah.
Oh, table you can remove.
Coffee
but
table
not
is dirty.
your-
It's like I want to just remove it.
Sure.
That's fair. कोई बात नहीं. It's like I will get also a chance. So can I just borrow the plates from my so that it looks little clean on my coffee table? Let me
I wanted
see.
to eat Maggie.
Okay, you finish your oranges and as well as this. Okay, I don't mind, but you can't skip from this oranges. No, I never said that. I said we will exchange that. Am I right?
You have to.
Sticky. Can I wash myself? Okay, fine. Looks like I'll do that. Finish your stuff. Both oranges and your this thing, Maggie. So you're going to
Chopsticks.
finish
For
it.
Maggie.
Finish faster. Such a big bite. Finish it first.
No, I have to.
Yeah, you have to. So she's going to finish that also. I know that. She can't get rid of it.
I am.
Finish it. Faster. Why
You
should
told
I?
her.
I never said that. I never said that. I said we will exchange our food. Am I right or not?
No.
See, audience, no one can cheat. I can just rewind and check it out. It's like what I said. I
No.
remember my words. Come on. Now,
Third round.
what's going to be the third round? I hope it's going to be. Can I close my
No.
eyes?
Yes, you have to close your eyes.
But I can see. I can see. I can feel that. It's going to be.
I'm going to pick myself. My eyes are closed. Wear it.
Show me. Very.
Wear it.
Ah, mine is eat it.
No, that's not fair.
See?
No, that's not fair.
What not fair? It's eat it. And I hope I'm going to take the right shit, which is called eat it only, not to wear it.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Hey,
Don't cheat. Don't cheat.
let me try. Okay, why should I take first? Okay, fine. I can
Okay, I'll take it.
I'll take
I'll
it
take
because I will get more chances to take good better one. Okay.
So,
Oh, it should be something very nice eating stuff.
you cannot cheat.
Show me.
It is mustard. I don't like mustard to eat. It's okay.
It's going to be wear it, man.
Okay, I have no problem.
And that's a liquid one. Oh yes, I love it. What's
Dark
it?
chocolate.
Yes, it's a dark chocolate. You
Dark
guys can see. See, you
Dark
can't. The audience can see. It's not going to be cheating. See, I'll show you the. Let me show it to the audience. See, it's a dark chocolate. Guys, like that's your mustard, and this is some
And
very
dark chocolate.
nice dark
Dark
chocolate. That too
Time
for
to
me.
pour it on me.
I'm going to pour on you. Come on, it's like I would love to have that. Yummy mustard.
Not from the head, please.
So where should I pour it? That's the only option that. Mustard. Like, it's not coming. Yes, it is coming. Hold. Why? Hold. Yes. Okay. It's not coming. Let me. Okay.
It is not coming. Ah!
Shit. It spoiled my wall. Okay, let me open this direct and put it on it. Yes. Don't shake your heart, it's going to spoil my wall. So I'm going to have my
In return, you
chocolate.
have to give me one dark chocolate.
Okay. Share some. Yeah. Yummy. With a mustard sauce. I thought that you should have ate it. I would have loved that. Unfortunately, you missed it. Okay. It's time to go for the next round. How come it is 4? It's going to be 2 more rounds. That means that challenge has 4 topics. So total 4 rounds.
5 rounds.
Total 5 rounds. So I'm going to have the chocolate, and the next one is going to be like,
Let's see.
hopefully it's going to be the best one.
And I'm going to clean this.
We'll meet you guys on the next round. Enjoy your mustard.
No. Now, it is going to be more nastier because only 4 sets are left. So let's.
Let me.
Oh, I didn't shuffle it, I forgot.
But I know the right shit. Okay, have one. What's it? Let me see first yours.
I think so. Bad.
Lucky enough. Mine too, wear it. Yes! Lucky.
I just.
Okay. You want to take the first hit or should I?
I think so. I should.
You should. You're watching it.
Okay, I took anything of it.
Take
And
that
my
risk.
mustard is leaking.
Yeah, I can see.
Green chili sauce.
Green chili sauce. Oh, it's going to be.
And no, it is going to also leak.
Okay. It fell off from my
Leak
hands.
something bad.
What is bad? It's going to be wear it.
Soya
sauce. It's going to spoil my t-shirt.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll have fun in doing that.
Okay, let me try one. So we will get the soya sauce and chili sauce. No, chili. What exactly it was?
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce and soya
No,
sauce.
green chili sauce.
Green chili sauce. It's going to be spicy. That means, huh?
Here is the green chili sauce.
Mine was not a green chili sauce.
No, it's not. It was mine.
Mine is a soya
Soy
sauce.
sauce. So can I
No,
pour it
hold
on
on. Acha, soya sauce is on me and green sauce is on you.
Yes.
Okay, who is going to do that?
First, I'm going to pour it on you.
See, it is going to spoil my wall. Just make it. No! Wait! You are spoiling my every t-shirt. Even my cushions. So it's no. It's stinking.
Stinking from you.
It's going to stink on me. That's it. I think
It's the revenge of mustard sauce.
Okay, it's now my turn to put lots of green chili on you, and it's going to. No, I'm going to do that. It's not fair. Why? Yes, I love this. So, okay. Now challenges are very getting nasty type of thing. So she had this lots of chili on her. I hope it's going to be. Can I? Can I?
No.
Just Oh, no.
Green chili
It's
on
green
your
chili.
face.
It's going to hurt you.
On your face, green chili is good.
I'm sticking badly. It's like, come on. I was like, how can I go? Let's go for the next round and see what exactly going to happen. And we are already become nasty. Bye, guys. Okay, the last round. This is going to be the last round,
Yes.
right?
Some
So,
to sneak
I hope already we are nasty enough, so we should.
it. Eat it.
Yes, I love that. It should be chili sauce. Hold for a second, and I'm going to have that where it's one. I'm lucky. It's going to be. Oh shit! It's
Can
eat
I
it.
take it from here?
Eat it. Okay, we don't have a choice. So I have the last card, which is going to be.
Hershey's.
Oh no! Oh no! That means it's going to be. It's going to be. Oh, is that? It's going to be green chili to be eaten. No, boss, this is not fair.
This is
It's cheating. Green chilies. Come on, who is going to have this green chilies? So, I can't have that. How many chilies do I need to have? Only one. Almost two. It's just too much. So, can I dip it onto some sweetened stuff and then have it? It's a sugary syrup kind of a thing.
after eating that you can take a small. I don't know. You should not.
What should I
Water.
do?
You can take water.
Okay, now it's time for a green chili and a Hershey syrup. I understand that it's going to be painful for everyone. That's why, because I'm not getting this, because I think that was I should have taken this Hershey syrup first, so I would have got a better chance. You got the first chance, so unfortunately, but you are lucky enough to have this earlier. But I will have only one chili.
Okay. Fine.
Thank you. And then after that, I will have a little bit of tasty Hershey syrup, so that it's not going to be hurting the chili. Okay, and I can have some water also later on. So, okay,
Can
let
I
me
eat it?
hold a second. Let me pour on your mouth.
No,
But
I can pour it myself.
let me find the smallest one. Yes, I found the smallest chili. Yes.
You want to pour it a little bit of like this.
Okay.
So it's my turn.
You're lucky. Hope you guys enjoyed this particular session, which was 5 round this thing 5 rounds. So let's see and how many people really go and do a challenge like this. Right? This is what you wanted from the family members. Your daughter is going to challenge their fathers.
Yes.
So I will say that father is going to challenge the daughters.
No.
Yes.
Fine.
And what's going to be the next task for the future? No idea.
No idea.
No idea. It can be anything. It's going to be dangerous stuff, whatever you want to say.
Okay.
Let's see. Let me. And this time I'm going to do what? I'm going to do a mothers and daughters challenge. That's a safe
Take
side
this
for me.
video to 100 likes and I will do mothers and daughters challenge. Wear it and eat it.
Okay. Fair enough.
And subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.